I decided to wake up early today. She decided to cook rice for lunch. He decided to clean his room. They decided to go shopping. We decided to visit our grandparents. I decided to call my friend. She decided to buy new shoes. He decided to take a break. We decided to eat pizza for dinner. They decided to go to the beach. I decided to watch a movie tonight. She decided to learn English. He decided to fix his bike. We decided to stay at home. They decided to play football. I decided to read a book. She decided to make some tea. He decided to take a nap. We decided to order food online. They decided to go for a walk. I decided to stop using my phone. She decided to sleep early. He decided to join the gym. We decided to start a small business. They decided to clean the house together. I decided to change my hairstyle. She decided to buy a new bag. He decided to take his parents out. We decided to watch a cricket match. They decided to visit their uncle. I decided to start saving money. She decided to drink more water. He decided to study tonight. We decided to celebrate his birthday. They decided to go out for dinner. I decided to wear a blue shirt. She decided to call her teacher. He decided to learn driving. We decided to take the bus. They decided to buy a washing machine. I decided to write in my diary. She decided to clean her desk. He decided to stop watching TV. We decided to visit the temple. They decided to walk instead of taking a taxi. I decided to help my mom. She decided to bake cookies. He decided to learn guitar. We decided to start a YouTube channel. They decided to repaint their house. I decided to go jogging in the morning. She decided to cook something new. He decided to buy a new phone. We decided to take a holiday next week. They decided to plan a trip. I decided to turn off my laptop. She decided to water the plants. He decided to fix the door. We decided to make coffee. They decided to watch a comedy show. I decided to go to bed early. She decided to practice English daily. He decided to stop eating junk food. We decided to paint the living room. They decided to call a taxi. I decided to cook dinner myself. She decided to buy some fruits. He decided to stay home and rest. We decided to meet at the park. They decided to go swimming. I decided to update my resume. She decided to apply for a job. He decided to change his clothes. We decided to take a family photo. They decided to bring their kids. I decided to go to the supermarket. She decided to make breakfast. He decided to feed the dog. We decided to walk to the office. They decided to buy ice cream. I decided to finish my homework. She decided to clean the kitchen. He decided to repair his watch. We decided to learn something new. They decided to start working early. I decided to go to the dentist. She decided to wear a red dress. He decided to watch the news. We decided to cook together. They decided to cancel the meeting. I decided to spend time with my family. She decided to go for a morning walk. He decided to order coffee. We decided to play some music. They decided to clean the garden. I decided to visit my friend. She decided to study for her exam. He decided to buy some gifts. We decided to eat healthy food. They decided to go out for lunch. I decided to send an email. She decided to learn swimming. He decided to call his brother. We decided to make a new plan. They decided to travel by train. I decided to repair my laptop. She decided to buy a new phone case. He decided to sleep for an hour. We decided to check the weather. They decided to go shopping together. I decided to practice coding. She decided to post a photo. He decided to buy a shirt. We decided to make a to-do list. They decided to prepare breakfast early. I decided to clean the windows. She decided to study at night. He decided to listen to music. We decided to order dinner. They decided to take a rest. I decided to visit my old school. She decided to call her cousin. He decided to join a course. We decided to walk after dinner. They decided to go to the market. I decided to turn off the lights. She decided to iron her clothes. He decided to wash his car. We decided to talk about the project. They decided to buy a new sofa. I decided to go for a haircut. She decided to prepare lunch. He decided to send a message. We decided to clean the office. They decided to visit the zoo. I decided to drink coffee. She decided to bring snacks. He decided to learn Photoshop. We decided to call our friends. They decided to take some photos. I decided to fix my watch. She decided to stop worrying. He decided to join a new company. We decided to work from home. They decided to go hiking. I decided to post a video. She decided to buy flowers. He decided to study in the morning. We decided to book the hotel. They decided to stay one more day. I decided to change my password. She decided to buy a dress online. He decided to write an email. We decided to cook rice and curry. They decided to go to the cinema. I decided to take a cold shower. She decided to feed the dog. He decided to save his money. We decided to visit the hospital. They decided to buy new furniture. I decided to take the stairs. She decided to join an English class. He decided to stop using social media. We decided to practice every day. They decided to eat ice cream. I decided to clean my cupboard. She decided to water the flowers. He decided to work late. We decided to start early. They decided to stay indoors. I decided to check my email. She decided to take some rest. He decided to change his wallpaper. We decided to make a cake. They decided to celebrate New Year. I decided to take a break from work. She decided to visit her aunt. He decided to study for the exam. We decided to share our lunch. They decided to call the plumber. I decided to go for a walk alone. She decided to organize her files. He decided to fix the roof. We decided to buy groceries. They decided to plan a surprise. I decided to take a selfie. She decided to turn off the fan. He decided to change the curtains. We decided to go out on Sunday. They decided to visit a restaurant. I decided to finish my project. She decided to open a new account. He decided to pay the bills. We decided to paint the wall white. They decided to clean the car. I decided to eat less sugar. She decided to start reading daily. He decided to learn web design. We decided to upgrade our system. They decided to relax and enjoy the day.